Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete multiple videos on TikTok. So let's get right into it. First of all guys, we have to go on profile. Here we will hit on the button which is top of the screen, and then we will go on settings and privacy. Just simply scroll down and hit on report a problem. Then we need to go on report. Hit on how to report. Hit on other. Hit on need more help. Write your brief over here and send to TikTok team. They will help to delete all your videos on TikTok. So guys, this is how to delete multiple videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.